The following video has been rated H for hilarious.
Once upon a time, there was a foolish monkey and a wise tiger. The monkey, being a fool, decided to steal bananas from farmer territory, the most dangerous place in the land. He was a fool and got captured. Well, you should watch to see what happens.
Hey Tiger, look what I got. They're the most delicious bananas in the land. They're from farmer territory.
Should I try some?
See that?
Oh, nah, I don't think so. You might get cut if the farmer sees you. You might get killed.
Farmer's not gonna see me. I'll eat them before he sees me. They're so good. You're not my friend anymore. Why don't you believe me? Or whatever.
I got you! I've been wondering where Jack's bananas went. Now I got you. I'm trying on a stick and until the rains hit you. Yes!
I think that was monkey crying. Maybe I should go and save him. What should I do? Okay, I'll go.
No, I'm never gonna survive. There's gonna be birds eating me. Tiger! Thank you so much for saving me. Because if you didn't save me, I would have been tied to the tree. And there would be birds pecking on me. Then I would have died.
No, but we wouldn't even be in this predicament if you listened to me in the first place.
Okay, first of all, I don't know what a predicament means, but sure. I should have listened to you. Can we be friends again?
Okay.
Pretty please?
Just do it. You do it. Pretty please.
Yay, pretty please.
The lesson of the story is to not steal and to listen to your friends.
Emotion. Your head.
No!
Shake your head.
This sucks! No, stop it. I need help.